Hello, today we will guide you through how to use Fibonacci on MT5 Mobile. To begin, open the MT5 app on your mobile device. Make sure the app has fully loaded so all menu options and chart tools are available. If you already have MT5 installed and set up, you can go straight into the platform and prepare to access the charting area where Fibonacci tools are located. Once the app is open, tap on Chart at the bottom of the screen. This takes you into the chart view, which is where you can analyze price movement and apply drawing tools. If you are currently on another tab, such as Quotes or Trade, switching to the chart section is important because Fibonacci can only be added directly from the chart workspace. After that, tap anywhere on the chart itself. This helps bring the chart into focus and may reveal the chart controls depending on your device layout. A quick tap is all you need here. The goal is simply to activate the chart so you can access the drawing and object tools more easily. Next, tap on the shapes icon that looks like a triangle, circle, and square. This is the menu that contains chart objects and drawing tools. On MT5 Mobile, many useful analysis features are grouped under this symbol, so this is the place you need to open before adding Fibonacci. When that menu appears, tap on the plus sign at the top. The plus sign is used to add a new object or tool to your chart. Think of it as the option that lets you insert something new into your current analysis setup. From there, scroll down through the available tools until you find Fibonacci. There may be several drawing options listed, so take your time and look carefully. Scrolling slowly can help you avoid passing it by, especially on smaller screens. Once you see Fibonacci, tap on it. This selects the Fibonacci tool and gets it ready to use on your chart. After choosing it, you'll be able to place it on the price chart according to your analysis needs. And that's it. You've now successfully accessed the Fibonacci tool on MT5 Mobile. If you're following along on your own device, it can help to repeat the process once or twice so you become familiar with where the tool is located. With a little practice, opening chart tools and finding Fibonacci will become quick and easy.